Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Kara Wada. I am Central Ohio's premier direct care immune system expert. I am board certified in pediatrics, internal medicine, allergy, immunology, lifestyle medicine, and just nearly certified in functional medicine. I'm finishing up my coursework in that area of training as well. I have been helping people with misbehaving immune systems of all types and varieties, including allergies, asthma, autoimmunity, mast cell disorders, and a lot of patients who, have seen doctor after doctor after doctor, and they just need a detective to put all the pieces together. That's what I've been doing for over 14 years. As someone who has lived with a misbehaving immune system myself, parented a child with a misbehaving immune system, I know how frustrating it can be when it feels like your body is working against you rather than with you. And that's why I have developed the Immune Confident approach. It's a truly personalized, forward-thinking approach that blends cutting-edge science with practical, sustainable strategies to help you regain control of your health and your life. I am so excited to share with you this approach and what I'm using in my new direct care practice. I want to start by sharing a little bit about my journey. A few years ago, I was exhausted. I was itchy, in part because my liver was not functioning well at all. It was failing, and I was really scared. My liver was extremely inflamed. My enzymes and blood work was through the roof. My eyes looked yellow. My skin was yellow. I itched all over. My urine was dark. My energy was totally gone, and my spirit was pretty broken as well. I was holding my then about 1-year-old baby Josie. She's now a vibrant little first grader. And I was barely able to focus. It was hard to focus on my work, meeting with my patients, in part because I wasn't feeling my best. As a physician, I knew how to care for others, but I didn't know how to care for myself as a patient. And it was through that moment and those tough weeks and months that was a turning point where I decided to reprioritize my own health, the health of my family, to reclaim my health, my energy, and my joy, and to really embrace sustainable habits rather than quick fixes, to focus my energy on nourishing my body and my mind. And I sought answers beyond what I had learned through my traditional medical upbringing and think about my health and the health of my family, and as a consequence, the health of my patients in a more holistic way. And that journey is what led me to create the Immune Confident approach. It's truly personalized to enable you to feel empowered to do the same. Because here's the reality. Although we may have some things in common, we're also not the same person. And even if we have the same underlying way that our immune system glitches or misbehaves. I have Sjogren's disease. You may have Sjogren's. You may have lupus. You may have chronic hives. You may have really bad allergies, right? Even if those conditions are the same, we are very different people coming to this space with a different set of lenses, different set of taste preferences, culture, all of those things. And so when we can truly personalize that approach to work with you and your values and come to that with a philosophy that blends science with compassion and practicality, when we're guided by the simple and powerful values of curiosity, compassion, and connection, that's where the Immune Confident approach shines. So really, when we talk about the Immune Confident approach, there are 3 key steps along that path. Step 1 is understanding your unique immune story. It's about truly understanding who you are, what you've dealt with, what has your lived experience been. We call this the deep dive discovery. It isn't a quick glance at your medical records. It's a collaborative exploration, a conversation really, where we delve into your complete health history, your lifestyle, those specific challenges you're facing, and more importantly, your goals. Think of it as a detective partnership where we listen deeply to your concerns, your experiences, the subtle or not so subtle clues your body is sending. We want to connect those dots together. And to unveil those clues, we combine the very best of conventional evidence-based medicine with things that I've learned through functional medicine, through my allergy immunology fellowship training, and through my years of clinical practice. And we use that to pinpoint potential triggers, imbalances, driving factors that may be contributing to your health not being ideally where you would like it to be. We can use targeted diagnostics and create a baseline assessment to get a real clear picture of your current immune status. That might involve exploring environmental factors, digging into potential roles of our nutrition and the food we eat, or utilizing specialized immune system-based labs. It all depends on your situation and your goals. We come to this together. And perhaps what I think is the most important thing about all of this is we talk about your values. What does true wellness mean to you? What are your goals for your health journey? And by understanding your priorities, we can ensure that your treatment plan aligns with your lifestyle and what you want to achieve. Step 2 is crafting your personal wellness roadmap. Once we've gathered all those valuable insights, it's time to create a roadmap, a way and a path forward, a tailored plan designed specifically for you, addressing your needs and goals. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. We know that those outfits never fit anyone well. It's a roadmap that integrates the best of lifestyle, thinking like nutrition and stress management, movement, with maybe targeted supplements, if appropriate, and medications when necessary. The thing is, this isn't just a starting point. It's not a plan that is written in ink. It is living, it's breathing, it's going to evolve with time because with ongoing support, with monitoring, with checking in on your progress every step of the way, we can make crucial adjustments as they're needed. Again, this is a partnership. Regular check-ins, open communication, these are the keys to success. I want this to be dynamic and flexible. Our lives have ups and downs, right? This is a journey, and your health journey is not static. It's always evolving. We'll be constantly revisiting and refining your roadmap based on your progress, how you're feeling, and any new information that comes to light. Step number 3, living with immune confidence. This is the goal of the entire process, right? It's to empower you to live with the confidence that you are embracing your vitality. As you begin this journey, you'll experience improved health, a reduced burden of those frustrating symptoms, whether it's that postnasal drip, itchy, watery eyes, chest tightness or congestion, fatigue, body pain. And that's a wonderful, renewed sense of well-being. You'll gain a deeper understanding of your immune system, how it works, what triggers it, and most importantly, how to support its optimal function. And that knowledge is power. It allows you to truly take charge of your health, no longer feeling like a passenger, but as the driver of your own health journey. Ultimately, it's about reimagining your life, letting go of many of the beliefs that have been ingrained in us, focusing on what truly matters, and living a vibrant, fulfilling life with your immune system working for you, not against you. I've walked in your shoes. I understand the fear of not knowing if I'm going to be around or healthy to take care of my kids, if I'm going to be able to sit on the floor and play with my kids and stand up and not feel like I'm 80 years old. I understand the fear of having a child with a life-threatening food allergy and making sure that there was no egg in what she was eating. I understand the frustration of feeling like you're referred from doctor to doctor to doctor, playing this endless game of hot potato referrals and not having someone look at the big picture and the microscopic all together. I understand the exhaustion. And I'm here to help you turn things around just like I did, but honoring and recognizing that we are not the same person, that we may not have the same values and goals, and meeting you where you are and helping partner with you on that path. Together, we're going to uncover those root causes, those driving factors, the triggers to create your personal roadmap. And then we're going to travel on it together. Are you ready to create a personalized wellness plan to support your immune system health? I'm accepting new patients at my direct care allergy immunology practice, the Immune Confidence Institute. You can sign up for the waitlist now, the link below, and make sure to sign up for my newsletter, a weekly little dose or prescription for living well. You can find the link to all of that and more below. And if this resonates, make sure you're following, make sure you're sharing with your friends. And I can't wait for us to work together.